got approximately 3-minute songs, leaving me with about 5 minutes to talk if need be. I was going to put this one last. It's Syd Barrett, Here I Go. It's going to be first. Then after that, it'll be Elvis Presley, Early Morning Rain. It's really catchy and good. Harry Nilsson will wrap it up with Without You, where I go way up high. So with Elvis, I go low, and with Harry Nilsson, I go high. So you'll see my range. I had to use the loudness normalization for the Harry Nilsson song Without You. I'm not trying to hurt anyone's ears. I found it easy to hit the high range, although I felt it was a little too much timbre to it. But maybe that's just the way it rolls. Sometimes I feel like those high notes can come out much more like an Art Garfunkel, but I'd have to work at it. I have to be careful too so I don't damage my vocal cords. But all in all, it seems like I can do those lower range octaves. I'm not trying to be perfect. I think I've proven the point. If anything, I'm interested in how this pertains to autism. I mean, if I end up in a band or something, or sing, collaborate, yeah, I wouldn't mind doing stuff like that. I'm reliving my high school days. I was in school band. I won a few awards. I could never improvise. I didn't understand it. I understood improvising, but I couldn't do it because I was overwhelmed. It was too much. Now I feel like I can do it because I'm doing it by ear. I'm doing it en natural because I know all the notes. That's why I overload my brain with frickin' all those letters, if that makes any sense. Thank you. Okay, song number 1. Oh, I want to say a bit about Syd Barrett. I talked too much. Syd Barrett knew everything was fake. He was a bit of a troll towards the end. He went nutty. He gave up. He didn't give up. Yeah, he gave up like a Lane Staley. He wasn't as bad as Lane Staley to let his body rot. He wasn't that much of a junkie. Syd Barrett wasn't a junkie. Syd Barrett had autism, let's face it. So that's the intro to that. I gotta get to this. I'll come back and speak more. See what's up with the time after this one. How much more time to speak. I ain't gonna edit too much. Just those big gaps I'm gonna edit. Otherwise, this is me and how I talk. I find this song very difficult to sing. He's very subtle. He goes after notes that are off. So this guy is off key. Deliberately. That's what I mean by he was being a troll at the end. He didn't want to be a fake artist. He saw what it was all about. They were on top pretty much with that Watch Emily Play. That's a pretty good tune. I already sang that one, or I'd do it again. Alright, that didn't make sense. If I said, it doesn't matter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This is a story about a girl that I knew. She didn't like my songs, and that made me feel blue. She said a big band is far better than you. She don't rock and roll. She don't like it. She don't do the stroll. Well, she don't do it right. Well, everything's wrong, and my patience was gone when I woke one morning and remembered this song. Oh, kinda catchy. I hoped that she would talk to me now and even allow me to hold her hand and forget that old band. I strolled around to her pad. Her light was off, and that's bad. Her sister said that my girl was gone. But come inside, boy, play me a song. So I said, yeah, here I go. She's kinda cute, don't you know that after a while of seeing her smile, I knew we could make it in style. So now I have got all I need. She and I are in love. We've agreed. She likes this song and my others too. So now you see my world is because of this tune. What a boon this tune. Tell you soon we'll be lying in bed, happily wed, and I won't think of that girl or what she said. Stumbled across this woman called Alison McDowell. She's associated with Whitney Webb and Steve Poinkinan. She was a guest for some Philadelphia moms with kids with autism, getting vibes that this Alison McDowell woman is a proverbial informant. She talked up some weird crap on the Nephilim, on giants. It's supposed to be a meeting for moms with kids with autism. The whole thing was like on brainwashing stuff. They're trying to make you think about Klaus Schwab. All those words and phrases they keep repeating. The Great Reboot. I think that's what I call it. The Great Reset is mimicking my Great Reboot that preceded the whatever this crap is that she's pushing. They push these words. They keep talking about predator class over and over again. Team sports. Yeah, let's just keep repeating words. Let's just have teleprompters reflecting off of glasses. No one will notice. I'm going to retire, though, from this cyber sleuthing because it's too easy. She was plugging Yasha Levine. I remember that guy from Twitter. He was working for Panda. Mark Ames can't be trusted. No one is to be trusted. That's the unfortunate truth about the medium. And the gaslighting part with this woman, Alison McDowell, is that that's her shtick. That everything is moving toward 100% total surveillance. So they co-opt the truth and then they put it through some type of programming. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long ways from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. Well, I'm out here on the grass, where the pavement never grows, where the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend. She is rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engines roar. See the silver wing on high. She's away in westward bound, for above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm out here on the grass, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train.
Like you can a freight train.
So I best be on my way. In the early morning rain. So I best be on my way. In the early morning rain. So I best be on my way. In the early morning rain. This is what I'm starting to think. Someone mentioned this in a comment the other day. Something I never really heard of. Neuralistic programming. And I'm now out of time, so I gotta just make this quick point. Neuralistic programming. They believe in it. I don't know anything about it. I looked at it a little bit. I don't think it's really anything. It's just word salad, so to speak. That's all these shows are. That's all this internet is. Word salad. They're trying to use repeated phrases to implement, to plant influencer nodes for social containment. And they put people in who kind of sound like they're saying the same thing as me, but they're totally nutty, talking up biblical giants. She said there's something going on with some cave in Philadelphia. It was weird. She was freaking out the moms. Oh, and Shandra's back. I better mention that. They said she was going to take time off. Now she's back, like 2 days later. She's still reading from a teleprompter. The teleprompters are still reflecting off of glasses. Everything is scripted. Just follow their eyes. They know that we know. That's why it's funny. So pad their stats. I don't care anymore. The only stats they're getting are from people who are laughing at them, saying, look at those paid shows reading scripts. No, I can't forget this evening, or your face as you were leaving. But I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrows. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. Whoa. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live. I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give. I can't give anymore. No, I can't forget this evening, or your face as you were leaving. But I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. Can't live if living is without you. I can't live. I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you.